Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting the right tools, a neural TTS or a customizable voice model. This affects realism and cost. Once chosen, prepare a concise script with clear punctuation because the model reads pauses and emphasis literally. Make sure to collect any reference audio or tone notes so the voice matches your brand. This saves rework. Also decide output format and bitrate now, since those settings influence sync and post-production quality. You record reference audio and then preprocess it. Denoise and normalize to a consistent level so the model learns consistent amplitude and tone. Next, fine-tune or configure the TTS engine. Adjust pitch, speed, and prosodic markers so sentences breathe naturally. Once done, run small batch tests and iterate. Compare outputs side by side to your reference. Make sure to tag pronunciations and special terms. Because explicit phonetic, you finalize by exporting high-quality audio and applying light compression and EQ to fit your mix. This preserves clarity and presence. Then sync the voice with visuals using markers, and if lips or timing feel off, stretch audio up to 5% or recut lines. If you hear robotic cadence, retrain a small subset or add prosody tags to the script. Make sure to try an alternate voice model before major rework. This often fixes tone or intelligibility problems fast.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.